You're deep in the forest, miles from help, and then you hear it. A low growl. Twigs snap. You turn your head slowly. A bear is watching you. Do you run, do you scream, or do you freeze? In this video, I'll teach you how to survive a bear encounter and even walk away unharmed. Welcome to Animal Attack Prep. First, let's meet the suspects. Not all bears behave the same, and knowing which one you're facing is critical to your survival. Black bear, usually shy, will avoid humans and may bluff charge. You'll find them across North America. Grizzly bear, also known as brown bear. These are larger, more aggressive, and known for territorial behavior. They're common in the Rockies, Alaska, and Western Canada. Then there's the polar bear, the apex predator of the Arctic. They will stalk humans if hungry, and you'll find them in extreme northern climates. Before hiking or camping, research the bear species in your area. Survival starts with knowledge. The best way to survive a bear attack is to never be in one. Always travel in groups. Bears are less likely to approach large groups. Make noise, clap, sing, or use bear bells. Surprise is your enemy. Store food properly. Hang it in a bear bag or store it in bear canisters. Avoid dusk and dawn hikes. These are peak bear activity times. And leave no trace. Scents attract trouble. Bears don't want to meet you either. Keep it that way. You see a bear in the distance. It hasn't seen you yet. Here's what to do. Stop and stay calm. Sudden movement may attract it. Slowly back away. No eye contact. No running. Speak in a calm, low voice. Let the bear know you're human, not prey. Give it space. Never approach, especially if cubs are present. 9 times out of 10, the bear will leave if you don't panic. Now it's coming closer. This is where it gets serious. Is it acting defensively, or is it treating you like prey? If the bear is snorting, huffing, jaw-popping, or bluff charging, that's defensive behavior. In that case, stand your ground. Use bear spray if it's within about 30 feet. Speak firmly. Do not run. Slowly back away again when it pauses. But if you notice silent stalking, the bear is following you, or its ears are forward with no vocal signs, that's predatory behavior. In that situation, make yourself look bigger by raising your arms or your backpack. Make loud noises. Yell. Bang sticks together. Prepare to fight back with everything you've got. Rocks, sticks, even your fists. Aim for the face, eyes, and snout. Your #1 survival tool in bear country isn't a gun, it's bear spray. It's effective in over 90% of encounters. Spray at 25 to 30 feet in a sweeping motion. Always carry it where you can get to it easily, not buried in your bag. Practice using it. Know your gear. Seconds really matter when a bear charges. If it makes contact, your survival depends on the species again. So if you're dealing with a grizzly or brown bear attack, play dead. Lay flat, keep your hands protecting your neck, and your legs spread for stability. Do not move until it leaves. Now, if it's a black bear attack, do not play dead. Fight back. Use any object you can find to hit its nose and eyes. You want to make it believe you are the threat. And, if it's a polar bear, treat it like a predatory attack. Fight to survive. If you're injured, get medical help as soon as possible. Use satellite devices if you're out of range. Make sure to report the incident to park officials. This helps protect others and the bear. Remember, we enter their world when we enter the wild. Bear encounters are rare, but when they happen, knowledge saves lives. Respect the wilderness, and it will respect you. Stay prepared, stay alert, stay alive. This has been Animal Attack Prep Bear Encounter. Subscribe for more survival wisdom. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more real-world survival guides. Comment your wildest hiking story. And hit the bell so nature doesn't catch you off guard.